Hello everyone, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO. Today I'm sharing with you 2369, unit number 4. This is a one-bedroom, a proper one-bedroom I should say, because it has a dining room area as well. This is on Union Street, very close to the hustle and bustle of all the shopping and restaurant districts, very close. So as we walk in, you can see that we had a little foyer area right here, so perfect place for shoes, coats, and turning around, you're greeted by what could be the dining room, and then down at the end is the bedroom. So let's go into the dining room and living room first. So dining room here, big windows, tall ceilings, picture railing and molding, just really beautiful. And I should say that the floors, these wooden floors, have just been refinished, and there's new paint on the walls. So everything smells really, really fresh. So you have the wonderfully decorated windows that look out onto Union Street. Here you have a little console area for a TV or a stereo or just decorations. So this is a living room, of course, and then that extends into the dining room. Lots of greenery outside as you look this way. It should be noted that this is a 4-unit condo, and as part of the condo, there's this beautiful backyard, which we'll have pictures of in the listing. So if you haven't done so already, go to ReLISTO.com, and that's where you'll find the extra pictures and also information on showing times and how to contact the agent. So here we have, very, very cute kitchen area, sink, there's garbage disposal, dishwasher, lots of cabinet space, little pantry area right there. Wonderful stove. These stoves, they may go, what the heck is this? But they're super easy to use, and we're happy to show you how to do that. They're gas. So wonderful for cooking. Again, lots of space here. All right, let's go out back into the dining room. And again, foyer area where the front door was. Let's go into the bathroom. Nice sink, shower tub combination, tile backsplash. Again, tall ceilings, super tall ceilings here. Tile floor as well. Turning here, you have a nice little closet, which goes really deep, and then that is the heater, keep you nice and warm. I love, this is the bedroom, and I love this window. So this completely folds down, and so easy for cleaning, but also allows so much air in. So if you like well ventilated homes, that is amazing. Now look at this deep closet. Holy smokes, this is huge. So some shelving, deep closet, lots of space for hanging clothes, putting shoes, storage, and there's more. Closet space right there too. So anyway, this property is available. This is we're just about to enter into August 2022. This property is available right now. The painters and the finishers just came by. This is professionally managed by ReLISTO, and the cleaners are still coming in. It looks immaculate right now, but the cleaners are still coming in to make it even cleaner and ready for your move-in. So I'm going to turn this around. So give us a call. See the links below. And if you want to see the property, go to the website, there's a contact page, and we'd love to show this property to you and get you into it. All right? There may be parking available, so ask the agent about that as well. And again, make sure that when you're here, you're asking about the laundry and the backyard. All right, cheers, bye-bye.